All right, the next one we're going to look at here is our pendulum sweep. So for the pendulum sweep, basic setup, I'm going to start with sleeve control. So I'm cuffing the sleeve right over the top of my fingers here. I'm keeping my hands relaxed. I'm not trying to pull him here like this. I'm just keeping my elbows in, making these hooks for the material to get stuck on. I'm going to shift my hip to the side while still maintaining my guard closed. So I'm going to want to put this arm under his leg. To make that happen, I have to do a couple things. I shift my hip. Now, as I'm reaching under his leg, I'm going to pull forward with my knees. As I do this, what I need to make happen, I need to bring Scott over the top of my right hamstring. So I'm going to do that by pulling with the arm that's under his leg, opening my guard, kicking my outside leg wide, and bringing the other leg up towards Scott's armpit. Now from here, I'm not trying to take Scott towards his head. I want to take him the way this heel is pointing. So all I'm going to end up doing from here is folding the outside leg right after I chop with the leg that's up on his side here. I use the grip on the leg to carry me to the top with his momentum. And again, chest down, establish your position. All right, starting with the 2 sleeve grips, need to make sure I make a space for this arm to go under. My partner's going to have good base. He's sitting down here. I'm not going to be able to just reach under that leg. I have to shift my hip to the side. Now, again, his weight is back. If I try to reach under here, it's stuck. I can't really scoop this leg. So I want to pull with my legs as I go. Now I'm pausing to show all of these details, but in reality, this is almost one motion. So I'm going under the leg, kicking wide, and going here. Now I have him loaded up. I'm going to fold the outside leg as I chop. I don't want to leave this leg out and chop him on top of my leg and get stuck here. That's why it's important to keep this outside of his shoulder. I'm not keeping it over here under his armpit, outside the shoulder. I'm gonna chop and fold, carry to the top. The momentum carries me as long as I keep a hold of his leg. Establish the mount position, chest down, arms wide, feet are hidden.